Hello and welcome to Crystal King's normally Tuesday's tip, but today I'm doing a little series on the RE9 skincare set and how to get the maximum benefit out of it. So I posted the other day on the RE9 skincare line, the RE9 Advanced skincare line, and today I'm going to show you just quickly super quick demo on how to get the maximum benefit out of it by using the Genius Ultra device. So this is an Arbonne Intelligence Genius Ultra skincare device. And what it does, when you push the little bottom button, you can see that it has 3 levels here. Those are different heat levels, so I can change that to be the lower or the highest. And then you want to use this product with RE9 skincare products or our other Arbonne skincare products. But the biggest key is to only use it with products without sunscreen. So I kept it on and I've put a drop of serum on the back of my hand. And it's already gone for 30 seconds, so it's only going to go for 30 more seconds here. But what you do is move the product around with the device. It heats up and has a little ultrasound in it so that you are going to get the maximum benefit from the serum that I just put on or whatever your skincare is. So, and you just want to always keep it going in circular motions like this. So you're just going to keep going in little circular motions, and you can do this on your face, on your neck, with the RE9 Advanced Corrective Eye Cream, with the Night Repair Cream. I've had people use this, there we go, with the Rejuvenating Cream for on top of scars. So this is super simple. Then when you're done, you're going to want to take a soft cloth, like I have one below the line, and just clean it off. So now it's ready to be used for the next person. So nice and shiny. And I keep this one in my demo bag, but my hand feels amazing. And what this does, this product helps to push the skincare deeper into your skin. And also because it's a smooth finish, you're going to get a more even distribution than you would by just using your fingers that have ridges and your skin that has ridges. So thanks so much for watching. And I hope this has been helpful. Again, this is Crystal King, your independent Arbonne consultant, and hoping that you watch again and send me questions of other Arbonne products that you'd like to see. Thanks so much. Bye.